What's up, everybody? This is Danny at Valo Solutions. Today we're at our location over here in Maywood doing a late night install. What we got here in front of us is a 2015 Nissan Versa. Now, you know, just like all our other videos, we love doing the digital remote start. It's probably one of the newest and nicest things that ever came out with remote starts. All these newer vehicles do usually require them now. But yeah, we still do install analog systems for older vehicles and stuff like that. But obviously here's, like I said, the 2015 Versa factory key. Able to start it with the factory key. Go ahead and lock it 3 times. You're going to see the parking lights flash, and then it'll start. There go the parking lights. And there you go, it starts. We have it set for 20 full minutes. After that, it turns itself off. Now, there's no need for additional remotes, even though the customer does have the option to add them. The system we do put in are fully upgradable, so if he decides he wants to add an alarm, he can do that. You can add essentially almost any remote that's available. So there's no more need of having to install something and then take it all out to replace it with something else. And this is an a la carte system, so you can build off of it. So that's the nice thing about these. You know, this is the base of it. You know, obviously with the factory remote, you can add smart start, 1 mile remotes, and you know, stuff goes like that. So hey, if you guys have any questions, you know where to go. Give us a call, 708-538-8008. Visit our website, valosolutions.com. Make sure you follow us on Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Thanks, man.